Is a way to display seconds in the Windows 10 system tray, but you will have to edit the registry file to make it happen. We will show you the necessary steps. The default setting for displaying the time on Windows 10 desktop is restricted to hours and minutes. For most users, the default is perfectly acceptable, but others might like the option of displaying seconds in the desktop system tray of their taskbars. Your PC is tracking seconds, of course, but there is no easy conventional way to add it the system tray. However, we can edit the Windows 10 registry file to make it possible. As you can see, Windows 10 is tracking seconds, but you have to click or tap the time date section of the taskbar system tray to open the notification sidebar that displays it. To change the default and display settings in the system tray of the Windows 10 taskbar, we will have to edit the Windows registry file. Type registry edit REGEDIT into the search box on your taskbar and select registry editor from the search results. Navigate to this key as shown on the display. We are going to create a new key in the advanced folder. Right-click the advanced folder and select new dword 32-bit value. Give the new key this name as shown on the display and press enter. Double-click the new key you just created and change the value data to 1. Click OK to confirm your input. Exit out of the registry editor to complete your process. You will have to restart your PC so the new changes can take effect. After the restart, the time display in the Windows 10 system tray on the taskbar will include seconds as well as minutes and hours. To go back to just displaying hours and minutes, open the registry editor and navigate to the same folder and key. Change the value data of the show seconds in system clock to 0 and restart your PC. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please press the like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Talk. Bye bye.